Okay, so we're down here, another wolf bait here I got. The bait is down there somewhere, like 100 yards down there. We're in the tree line here. I have about 20 snares out, so we caught this wolf right there. I had one snare there. Caught it there. The trail is coming down from here. Is going to the bait, and we caught him coming back from the bait. So I'll try to do another video of him getting skinned out. So thanks for watching. Okay, so we're at one of my baits here, where I caught those two wolves, the black one and the white and black one there. So I'm at a snare here. This is one pretty freaking lucky wolf. He went right in the snare and pulled himself back and took off back. So that's a lucky wolf. I caught 4, so they probably fucking know what's a snare now. So we'll go to the next snares. I have snares and foot traps down there. When I put these traps in, my camera was dead, so I couldn't take a video. So we'll go down the trail here and check the wolf snares and foot traps. In here, I don't think we got trapped on that trail there. In here, I got 2 fucking foot traps, but he walked. They walked on the fucking things. So I'll come back and reset these ones. Got 2 more traps down there. Check. So here I got a snare somewhere, but this was a nice pretty trail. Got a snare there, another snare down there with nothing in it. These fuckers went in our tracks. Pretty bad fucks. Got a snare in here too, but I don't remember where it is. We'll go and see this one. Oh, right there. You see? They're just fucking playing all around these fucking fox, man. All around my trails. My snares, got 1 snare there, but there's the wolves. I don't think the wolves came back yet, because I set the snares yesterday and nothing came yet. So yeah, today I'm off school early, so I decided to come and check the snares. But okay, so thanks for watching. I'll try to post a couple more videos on wolf trapping. Okay, thanks. Okay, so we're down here on the line. We got a nice wolf trail here. Going to my bait down there. Put a nice snare. Set it up good. I'll have to block more, a little bit more, and we're good to go. Thanks for watching.